Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to install the SwatchMaster Product Options widget into your Shopify theme. Let's get started. First, you need to create at least one product group. To do this, click here, Create Product Groups, and then click Create Group, or click here, Create First Group. To create a group, set a group name. This name will only be visible in the admin panel. Then set an option name. This will be shown in the widget on the front end. Then click here, Select Products. Let's select some products. Let's select some snowboards. Select some products and click Select. Now, for each product, you can either set a color here, like this, or you can leave the default product image as a product color. Each product in this group will match one swatch in your widget on the front end. Don't forget Save Group. Okay, now group is saved. Let's see this on Groups page. Here our group. Okay, once the group is created, go to the Setup Widgets page. From the theme list, pick the theme you want to add the widget to. By default, your current store theme will be selected. To add a widget to a product page, click the Add button in the Product Page Widget section. You will be redirected to the template editor in the customizer. Okay, when editor loads, add the product page swatches widget to the main section of the product template. Here you see the system has already added a widget for you. If not, you can also add the widget manually. To do this, click Add block, go to the Apps tab, and find the Product Page Swatches widget from SwatchMaster Product Options. Now, move the widget to the position where you want the swatches to appear, like right after the product price, for optimal display. Save your changes and go back to the app settings. To check if the widget was added correctly, click the Check Status button. If everything is done correctly, the widget status will change to active. Okay, now to display swatches at the collection level, Add a collection widget. Click Add button next to the collection widget section. The system will redirect you to the theme settings page in the customizer. Here, when customizer load, you need to enable the category widget for the SwatchMaster Product Options app. Don't forget to save the settings. And now, go back to the app page and check if the collection widget is active by clicking Check Status. OK, collection widget is active. Then, go to your storefront. Open the product you added to the group and check if the widget is visible on the product page. Then, go to the collection and check if the swatches appear for the products added to the group on the collection page. OK, thanks for watching.